why you cannot make your first $10,000 per month in profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it and also why you can't, why some people can't do it. Okay, and again, it's not your fault. Maybe you bought courses and they never shared the real secret of what makes affiliate Facebook ads work or Google ads work. Okay, so let's go straight into it. Right now, as you can see, I'm on ClickBank page and I'm under weight loss supplements. Okay, I promote info products, digital products, and also I promote weight loss supplements. Now, as you can see over here, first thing I look is average order value. How much money can I make, right? It's no more question because let's be honest, if you're spending $1 per day or $1, right? You want to get 2 or 4 back. That's my math. Okay, so I always do the math. I'll write down, okay, this is the offer I want to promote. Okay, let's say I'm earning $130, $150 per sale, right? Per one sale. All right, now I know that. Now the next thing is, let me show you over here. Let me go over here so you can see exactly. Now over here, I'm going to show you. You see, this is my Facebook ad campaign, right? I had 400 sales, 500 sales, 600 sales. All right. And let's say, right, that you are promoting an offer that's paying $150, like on ClickBank. And per purchase, it costs me $35. So I'm spending $35 to acquire the sale, to get a customer to buy. And in return, I earn how much? $150 back. So you see, I spent over $20,000 over here, right? And my budget over here, over $1,000 per day I'm spending on Facebook ads, also on Google ads. But the main point I want to get across is this, okay? Let's have a look here. It's about audience, right? There is no AI software, AI voices that will do the work for you, okay? I'm not using any AI bots, any AI stuff at all. Why? Because we are promoting to human beings. I'm human, you are human watching this video, right? We have desires, we have pains, we have problems, we need solutions. All right, now we know that. So first of all, who is your target audience? Very important question. Now, most of gurus on ClickBank are not sharing in their $3,000 courses at all these secrets that make campaign work. Targeting is very important. For example, for me, 35 to 65 years old. Okay, that's surface level. You need to go deeper. What are their emotional states? Very important question. Low emotional states or high emotional states audience. Why this even matters? Because if you're spending money on ads, you want to make sure that your ad copy will have the right message to the market match. The name of the game, again, please write it down, listen to me. Message to the market match. Very important. You have ad copy that will connect with your audience. They see your Facebook ad, okay? They're scrolling on their phone. They click on the ad. And the ad will connect with the body copy, with ad copy, right? The text will match with that mind state of the person who is watching that Facebook ad, okay? Ad copy, very important. Next thing is average order value. If you are getting at least $100, let's say $50 to $150 per sale, great. You can spend $20, you can even spend $50 to get a sale, and you're still making double or triple your money back on Facebook ads. So it's all about economics. I call it hidden economics, all right? Hidden economics makes it work. Yes, you can copy me, but you will never know exactly, if you don't work with me one-on-one, what makes my campaign profitable, okay? So I don't believe in split testing. I never do it. It's a big scam. Most of the gurus are telling you split test. It means they don't know a shit. It's just guessing. It's a guesswork. They're trying to guess what works, what doesn't, what headline, blah, 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 right? You get it. We don't want to waste time and money. We want to make money. Okay, so again, it's not your fault. Maybe you bought some courses in the past. Maybe you tried, I don't know, affiliate marketing with someone else and it didn't work out and you thought, oh, it doesn't work. No, it does. I'm going to show you why. You see over here? Do the math. If you on ClickBank promote one offer that's paying $150 with upsells, right? Because upsell take rate can be very high. With 3 sales per day, my friend, with 3 sales per day only, you are making $450 a day. Do the math. How much are you making at your job right now, 9 to 5? Does your job pays you enough? How many hours you spend per day away from your family? Don't go to travel or vacations like I do. And thanks again to affiliate marketing. There is 3 billion people right now as you watch me and listen to my voice on Facebook. Today, right now. And I don't know why you're not using this leverage in 2024 to make money with ClickBank or Meg's web affiliate marketing, right? It doesn't take genius. Some people are afraid to spend money on ads because they don't know how ads work. Anatomy, structure of ads. That's why you need someone who will help you personally, one-on-one, step by step, right? You can watch YouTube videos, but if you want to be a surgeon, professional, if you want to become someone who can make a lot of money online, the best way I will do is go to someone who can help me personally, who can call on WhatsApp, text, DM, not just sit at home, do what everyone else is doing and watch this some stupid course for 8 weeks and then find out my account gets shut down. Ad accounts, right? So you need to have someone who's going to help you. Again, I'm not promising you millions. I'm talking, if you're serious, if you're an action taker, you don't make excuses, okay? You can start today. In the next week, you can make your first $5,000 to $6,000 in a week. It's possible. You can see testimonials from some of my clients and students. We are working together. Some are beginners, others are also scaling thousands of dollars per day on ad spend. We know what works because we're doing it for years. All right, we stay up to date, so it does work. All right, you don't have to be stressed waking up in the morning worrying, oh, and I'm going to get shut down on Facebook or Google today. No, because we avoid black hat. We do only white hat. We promote high quality products, okay, and which upsell take rate is again very, very high. All right, so what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. So all the links are below this video, right? So you can do that, and let me go back over here. Right? You can also reach out to me over here on my Instagram. Okay, so this is my Instagram, my WhatsApp, my Facebook. You can reach me out. But you see, I'm traveling all around the world. This is my lifestyle. Australia, Bali, Santorini, Greece, all the places I always wanted to go. Right? Switzerland, Thailand, Japan, right? And I'm showing you not to brag. You see over here, Aurora in Finland, right? Sweden, Denmark, Germany, all these places, France, right? Because what? Because of affiliate marketing, right? Because affiliate marketing enabled me to actually live this life, to travel all around the world. As you can see over here, the top of the mountain in Switzerland, all these dream places I always wanted to visit. It's over here, Australia, right? So why I do this? Dubai, because I love to travel. I love freedom, right? So I'm not the person who just stays behind the scenes, never show my face. Right? If you want to buy from someone like that, get a coaching or mentorship, do it. You don't have to go with me. But if you want to have someone who's going to be on your level, who will understand you, who will hand-holding you, who will help you along the way, right? Because the only reason I do this, I help people here and there sometimes, is because I know how it is, how it feels when you get started. And I also learn along the way. I always stay a student. I'm learning all the time. Helping you build campaigns, I learn what works, what doesn't, what is changing on other accounts. Okay, so that's also helped me to grow, not just you. So we grow together. It's a win-win situation, right? So again, thank you for watching this video. If you want to get great results, if you want to have this kind of life, let me know. I will personally help you, but be serious, okay? You need to have a minimum 500 to at least 5,000 US dollars to begin with. If you want to make at least $10,000 to $30,000 per month. Because if you don't make $10,000 per month right now, as you watch this video, right? If you already knew how to make $10,000 per month, you would have already done it. You wouldn't be watching this video. But because you don't, and again, it's not your fault. Because you don't know, you need someone to help you personally. Maybe you tried all other stuff out there, Amazon, MLM, other affiliate marketing courses, YouTube AI stuff. I know many people are using this BS about AI softwares, right? No. Yeah, it's very easy and simple. When you see the bigger picture, you can spend 30 minutes per day managing campaigns. I mean, do you have 30 minutes a day? At least 4 hours, 5 hours per week, let's say, to make it work, to make 10 to 30,000 US in profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing. If you do, let me know. And if you're really, really serious, let me know. Let's connect. And let's make something happen. Again, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment or subscribe to my YouTube channel.